Hey, hola, ¿cómo están amigos de YouTube? Yo soy Steven del canal 𝙆𝒆𝒅𝒄𝒂 y sean todos bienvenidos a un nuevo video para el canal. El día de hoy amigos estaremos viendo lo que sería un top 5 packs GRAFICO 2022, es decir, un top 5 de todos los packs que he recopilado durante lo que inicia este año 2022. Este pack lo voy a hacer en una nueva serie porque ahora voy a estar haciendo algunos tops de los mejores packs de este año y los del año pasado. También voy a abrir una serie sobre esos y los voy a poner en una lista de reproducción para que ustedes vayan viendo los mejores packs del 2022 y los mejores packs de 2020, 2021 y 2019, que han sido packs muy buenos, pero en videos como este solamente les va a tocar a packs de este año. Así que les agradecería un buen like amigos, compartan el video con sus amigos también. Miren que los packs están muy buenos. Los voy a dejar con el top 5 packs. Cabe recalcar que los packs no están organizados de manera de mejor a peor ni nada de por lo parecido. Los packs simplemente están organizados así, da la redundancia, o sea, no importa el orden. Así que espero que den su like amigos, compartan el video, comenten si les gustó para traer otros packs como estos, otros top como este. Así que los dejo con la review amigos.
Let's go. Drama. Yeah. Fuck it up.
Y'all these some renegades fucking up the game. All the lanes, all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. You my lane, bet you know my name, right? Renegades fucking up the game. Getting stuck.
Y'all know my name, bitch. Y'all think I'm famous. Yo, this ridiculous, meticulous. Yeah, I'm ready, 10 deep, we dangerous. Yo, all about a dollar and a green, no scheme. All over your call it right, me so mean. When I grind so hard that my shoes will see. Not a me, no harm, but I win yo team. Yo, give me the lighter show, give me a mic, you know, plenty of line to go. Henny a line, my bro ball so hard, but I still got bounce. Tombstone made for you, like it sounds. We'll bring it up and I break it down. Scan brought trees, so mighty now. Got turned ready to hit, now we going out. No clue where I'll be showing out. Some renegades fucking up the game. All your lames, all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, run it. Renegades fucking up the game, starting with some renegades fucking up the game. All your lanes, all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, run it. Renegades fucking up the game, starting with some renegades. Yo, we some motherfucking renegades. Back when I was younger, told them bitch I'll make it back. Yeah, 30 million streams, now as humble as it gets. I satisfy the soul, every goal I ever set in mind. Me, they out here plotting, but they know what to expect. Now, bars, candy bars, sugar-coated calories. Eating up this garbage, y'all peoples must have some cavities. Never shed a tear as I'm tearing up these tragedies. Your drama squad, digging up some graves for the casual. I ain't never give a single fuck about another. Only my brothers, only my moms, you're only my reps, you're only my fans, you're only my backs, you're only my bitch, you're only my reps. You're one they know about, I'm about text. Life on check, what you know about that? Never holding up back when I write my tracks. Now we some renegades, fucking up the game. All your lanes, y'all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, run it. Renegades, fucking up the game, starting up some renegades, fucking up the game. All your lanes, y'all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, run it. Renegades, fucking up the game, starting with some renegades.
Marvin Divine, Jordan. Let's give them what they want. I'm on a mission, I'm focusing on my vision. Never see competition, cause all I know is I'm winning. Always knew I was different, I knew it since the beginning. I told them they never listen, but now they see that I'm gifted. I really put in the work, risking for my reward. Put my feet in the dirt, and also water the soil. Eat products for dinner, I'm screaming out, give me more. I know my future is brighter, that's why I gotta endure. Getting hot now, y'all gon' feel the burn. I was patient, I was waiting, now it's finally my turn. You ain't know, you gon' learn. You don't eat, you gon' starve. That's the reason every season I'ma keep on going hard. While I'm breathing, having reason to keep working for it all. Got a family to feed, I gotta be there when they call. Want the house with the lake, with the gates and the cars. Want the wraith with the stars, have it all before I'm gone. I want it all before I'm gone. Keep on grinding till the morn. If you're sleeping on me, keep on snoring. I want it all before I'm gone. I want it all before I'm gone. I am not somebody you can put inside a box, and I am not somebody who will let you take my spot. It's written on my face, I'm somebody who never stops. I do it because I gotta, I don't do it for your props. Now you can keep those, I'm aiming way higher than planes in Heathrow. And I'm sorry to say, but my cake can't be sold. And look, to be honest, either you got it or don't. But if you